Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to book Flixbus bus ticket. So yeah, let's go straight into it. Now what you need to do is just head over here to the global.flixbus.com, or you can use it on Flixbus app on iOS or Android. Now what you need to do is just put in your departure city, destination, and then destination, the date. So let's say Friday, how many passengers, how many bikes. So if you click on it, you see here you can adjust adults, children, and bikes like that. And then when you are done with that, just click search. Okay, so it will take a few moments that everything loads up. And right now, as you can see, you have here some option that you can take at different clocks, different hours from Hamburg to Berlin. So let's say we are going at 7 a.m. The travel is 2.5 hours, and we will be in Berlin in 15 minutes to 10. All right, so if we are happy with that, just select OK. Okay, so we see here we have 2 hours and 15 minutes with the bus. So if we are going with this, right, it's 20 euros. Okay, select continue, just like that. Okay, and now what we need to do here is put in our first name, last name. Then also you can select your seat, or you can select travel neighbor free. So if you have that option, you can select that also here in the buses. Or if you don't want a neighbor, so as you can see, you can't change that right now, but you can still select the seat if you want. Now if you have some extra, so in this ticket is included uh, for a person small soft bag or backpack and one hold luggage. If you need something more, you can add it right here. Then you will add your contacts right over here, and at the end the payment, so you can select from this variety of payments. And okay, if you are happy with it, you just go here to the right side where you see how much will be at the end uh, to pay. If you have some voucher, you can put it right over here and then just pay now. And just like that, you will book the Flixbus ticket to Berlin or wherever you want to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next